At some point in time in your Arduino career, you're going to need to install a library that you do not have. And I'll give you an example right here. Okay, I have the sketch that I just worked on, Player Pro User Input. And you could see right here, I ended up removing the library just so to give you an example. But you can see in the include software serial and the include DF robot DF1201S, they are different. Okay, when it shows up like this right here, that library is not installed. And if you try to compile this, it will not compile. It'll give you an error message. DF robot, no such file or directory. Okay, so we'll just save this and that'll get that out of there. So what we're going to do is put this off to the side right over here for now. And we're going over to the DF robot DF1201S. We're going to go code, download zip, and we're just going to put it in downloads. Make it easy. Oh, and it's already in there. I already downloaded it, so we're going to have it in there twice. Okay. All right. So now, all we have to do is come back over here. The sketch, include library, add zip library. And we'll go to, where to go? This PC, downloads, DF robot, DF, there it is right there. Boom. And we'll open. And then now you'll see it changed. All right. It automatically changed. All right. Now let's go over and see in here in the libraries. There it is right there. Everything is already in there. Resources, the images. Okay, so that's all you need to do to install the library. Now, to make sure, just go over to here in examples and see if we could find the DF robot DF right there. And there's the sketch play right there. And it's going to open up over here. And there is the example sketch right there. That's all there is to it.